Mike McGlone said Bitcoin will hit $100,000 in 3 years. A senior commodities analyst at Bloomberg's analytics arm said that adoption and demand for Bitcoin is on the rise. The days when unsustainable companies could exist are over. Now, if a business does not work, it goes under. And this is good because now that the market has cleared up after a wave of bankruptcies, it is open to solid businesses, said Mike McGlone. The expert compared the current fall in cryptocurrency quotes with the fall of the Nasdaq index in 2002 and subsequent stable growth over a long period of time. The CEO of the Kraken exchange, Jess Powell, is of a similar opinion. In August, he said he remains optimistic about Bitcoin. The head of the Kraken still hopes to buy a Bugatti luxury car for 1 BTC. Atom coin is up for 40% in the past 4 days, and the upcoming tokenomics update is expected to bring down inflation. On the back of positive catalysts, OY has risen from $50 million in June to over $200 million today. The funding rate had an upward trend in September, suggesting that the surge is long-term skewed. The SEC claims it has power to investigate Ethereum transactions. The US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has made an unprecedented claim that Ethereum transactions are taking place in the US, as Ethereum nodes are clustered more densely in the US than in any other country. Nasdaq is about to launch crypto custody services. This is reported by informed sources familiar with the situation. They also report that Nasdaq plans to launch crypto custodial services for institutionals in the very near future. It all depends on how quickly the regulator will consider the submitted proposal. In addition, the exchange is creating a new division focused on cryptography, which will cooperate with other structures of the exchange working in the digital economy. Recall that 3 years ago, the exchange announced the start of cooperation with the CryptoCompare portal, within which a new product for obtaining information about the prices of all cryptocurrencies called Nasdaq CryptoCompare Aggregate Crypto Reference Prices will be developed. Thus, the exchange continues to consistently implement its strategy for working with cryptocurrencies, providing participants in the virtual asset market with the full amount of information to form trading strategies and investment plans in the medium and long term. In the next meeting of the Fed about the increase in interest rates. Possible increase 0.75% or even 1%. I think 0.75% is already included in the value of cryptocurrencies today.
New target range of 1.5 to 1.75%. First time they've done a 75 base point rate increase since 1994.
I will say more. Again, the background of the expectation of many further immersion, I propose at the moment upward movement.